James was recovering from an illness and had stopped setting his alarm. One morning, Orange Whisker jumped onto his bed, gently pawing his face until he woke up. James didn't understand why until he smelled something strange. The toaster downstairs had caught fire. He rushed down, unplugged it, and avoided disaster. From that day on, James realized his cat wasn't just his pet, he was his protector. Lesson: love can be a lifesaver, sometimes in ways you never expect. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel.